तुझे मालूम ये सौरभ जोशी कितना कमा रहा है?
हाँ पता है।
कितना?
4 करोड़।
क्या? What if I tell you a regular guy from Haldwani went from 0 followers to 14 million followers? And you can use this exact strategy to blow up your Instagram account in 2026. Saurav Joshi did not get lucky. He followed a specific formula to grow his Instagram account. And I have been following him from months to understand his strategy. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll be sharing you exact strategy that you can copy paste today and start your own Instagram account to grow and get success like him. By the end of this video, you'll know exact 7 steps he used to build his empire. And trust me, Navafy is total game changer. So make sure you watch it till the end. Let's get into it. Okay, so the number one strategy is which Saurav Joshi has mastered is daily vlogging. I know what you're thinking. It's too much work sharing your life every single day. But here's the thing. Saurav understood one thing that other creators did not. When you post daily, you're not just creating content, you're creating a relationship. People start the day with you. You know, they have breakfast with you. They are like your best friends. They feel like they are your friend. Think about it. You don't check in with strangers once a month, but your best friends, you talk every single day. So here's what you need to do right now. So just follow this, just copy this strategy and start the work today. Start creating content and start posting daily. You don't need an extraordinary movement to start. Saurav is just showing how he's eating, how he's traveling, his family time, just the normal stuff everybody can relate to. The key is consistency, which is very important. Whether you're on YouTube, whether you're on Instagram or any other platform, consistency becomes very, very important, and that is the only way to grow on Instagram. Post every single day for the next 30 days and see what happens. Now let's go to the strategy number 2, which almost every creators are missing. Almost 99% of creators are missing today. He brings his entire family into his vlogging. His mother, his brother Sahil, his dad, everyone, even his cousins sometimes. And here's why this is genius. Family content is universally relatable. Everyone has that funny moments with their family and it's totally relatable. Everyone has that one parent that is hilarious. You know, he does something hilarious, cracks some jokes. He thinks he's very funny, but he's not. So those kind of family moments and family members, right? It's very relatable and very organic. When people see Saurav's family dynamics, they see themselves. That's the magic of connection and relatability. Plus, family content is very authentic. You can't fake those relationships. That authenticity builds trust, and trust builds in follower for long term. And these followers will care about you because they are watching you every single day. They know what your family is, how relatable your content is. So they will be following you every single day and they will follow you for longer journey. So your homework would be identify 3 people in your life, whether it is your close family members, your parents, your sister, brother, or else if you're not comfortable showing them, you can just check with your friends, your colleagues, your roommates, and start creating content with them. Then create content around your natural interactions with them. And it will be so authentic, so natural, so relatable. So that's your homework. Let's move on to the strategy number 3. All right, here's what most creators or most, people who want to get into creation and content creation miss out. They think they need crazy editing, Hollywood level production, expensive cameras. But look at Saurav's content. It is so authentic. It's so real. It's so natural. He uses his phone most of his vlogs because it's very easy to use. Basic transition, clean cuts, and mobile phone quality, So he is not using very expensive, products to, showcase his life. So it's that simple. So you don't need any crazy editing here. And you know what? That's what exactly works. His editing feels real. It feels like a friend has sent you a video, right? It doesn't feel like a corporate video or ads, any kind of ad kind of content. In 2026, people are tired of those crazy edits and overproduced content. It doesn't feel any more real. There's no human touch or relatable content. They want authenticity. They want to feel like they're getting the real you, not the polished version of you. So my advice would be for you can actually record your videos from your phone. You don't need a camera, expensive phones. Even if you have an iPhone or a good quality phone, I would say that investment is fine. You can use your phone literally to record your videos. You don't need any expensive equipments or a camera. You can use InShot app or else CapCut to record and edit your videos. Don't let editing, like crazy editing, be an excuse. Like, I don't know how to edit. Don't be let that be an excuse. You can actually start filming from your phone and editing from your phone directly. So don't wait, start today. Okay, now you're getting into good stuff. Strategy number 4 is something that keeps people watch Saurav Joshi's video till the end. So that is storytelling. Every single Saurav Joshi's videos are structured. Even if it's just showing his day, the whole day, it will be like there will be a beginning, something in middle, and at the end. So like a proper structured script or proper structured video. So here's the formula: beginning. Set up what's happening today. Create curiosity. Today we are going somewhere special. We are doing this. We are going to go to a place that you have never been to. Something like that. So just build curiosity. In the middle, the journey. What challenges you face, funny moments, family interactions, just something you are like, oh shit, this happened to us. So middle would be this, the journey. At the end, the payoff, the destination. You've reached that location. You have done this, learned this lesson. You failed, you passed, you achieved, you were successful, whatever. So there should be an end point to it. Any funny punchline or anything. So at the end. So that would be the whole structure of your video. So make sure whenever you start vlogging, there should be like a structure, beginning, middle, and the end. This structure literally triggers your brain. It builds in curiosity. We are wired for story. We need to know what happens next kya hoga. Even movies, there is a beginning, then there is midpoint where you are just, okay, aage kya, right? And at the end, the climax is what we wait for the entire movie, right? So that way it should be structured. So thinking about his travel vlogs also, he will say we are going somewhere special you've never been to or something like that. Beginning. In the middle, he'll show the journey. Ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, these things, we did not reach on time, whatever it is. And at the end, they reach that destination. So they are showing around like aise ho gaya, ye ho gaya, and some funny punchline at the end. So this is how it should be. And my action step for you, so that you guys should follow that. Before you film anything, ask yourself, what's the story here? What's the hook? What's the payoff? What's the CTA at the end? Structure your content around that answer. That's it. So agar aapne kuch plan kar diya, so make sure it is following this structure. Strategy number 5. Okay, this is the strategy that I promised will be the best. So just wait for it. And this strategy is what makes him separate from other creators and makes him like Saurav Joshi, the legendary. Saurav, as you know, started vlogging, and vlogging is his niche. That's what he became famous for, right? And now you can see he started expanding. So he started expanding to content gaming, tech content, travel vlogs, family challenges, motivational content. So here's the trick. He actually didn't abandon his core, like the vlogging part. He did not removed it. He layered his new content types while keeping his foundation of vlogging. Thus, 2 things, all right? One would be he brings in new followers from different niches, right? The tech, the travel, the tech, the gaming. So we have different followers from different niches. And his current followers are also engaged because he's keeping it vlogged, right? So both, it's meeting new people, he's growing, and he's even whoever is following him since years, they are staying, they are consuming really good content and they are liking what he's doing. So most common mistake in creators are they either go too narrow and plateau, or they jump between different niches. Like if they started with something vlogging about their life, they'll go into beauty, into travel, only travel content. So they are not growing because people are not liking what you're doing right now. People followed you for a reason, for vlogging your life, but you're not showing your life, you're just showing traveling, you're just showing some other related content, right? So that's where the mistake is. That's why people will unfollow and you'll never grow on Instagram. So my strategy for you would be start with one core content type, master it, build your initial audiences, then strategically add 2 to 3 new content types slowly, steadily, which actually will help your content to enhance. It should not be karke kuch alag hi kar liya. People will just be, what is he doing right now? He's just going opposite direction. But it should complement what you're doing currently. Enhance karna chahiye aapka content which is going on currently. So you can add 2 to 3 layers slowly, and that's how it will bring in new followers and make your current followers engaged. And that will still be aligned with your personal brand. So make sure you do this right now. Start today. Alright, strategy number 6. It's the most simple strategy, but most people ignore it. Saurav doesn't just post, he engages with his community. So most creators don't do this. I've seen a lot of creators don't do this. A lot of brands even don't do this. Comments, DMs, stories, polls, questions. He makes his followers being seen. All right. Here's the secret. Instagram algorithm loves engage. The more you interact with your followers, it more pushes your reach, your followers, your engagement to new people. My strategy here would be spend 30 minutes a day responding to comments and DMs. Now it's automated, so that's really helpful. You can use a lot of different softwares now. But DMing your followers, there is a new feature from ManyChat, which I have used, and it is helping a lot in my growth, in my Instagram growth. So whoever follows you, you can use this feature in ManyChat. Whoever follows you, it gives them an automated DM like, hi, thanks for following, and what is your goal and all that, which keeps my new followers engaged with my content. So do something like that. Make sure you're responding to each DMs, each comments, whether it is automated. Get in touch with your followers. Last strategy for this is authenticity. This is the foundation of everything for Saurav Joshi. It's so authentic, so relatable. So people want to follow him, want to see him every single day. In the world of full fake followers, full fake influencers, pretend lifestyle, manufactured personalities, authenticity is magnetic. People can actually sense when you're being real and when you're being fake on Instagram. Sure, you might get followers from, doing fake. Sure, you'll be getting followers from that clickbaits, from, showing your fake life, copying others' content directly. But that is not long term. They won't stay your followers forever. They won't care. They will never buy from you because there's no trust. Saurav has built loyal community because they trust him. They believe in him and they feel like they actually know him personally. So don't try to be a Saurav. Try to copy his strategy, but be yourself. Show your real personality. Share your real struggles, your wins. Authenticity is the only sustainable path to real success. Also, look, Saurav Joshi did not start with millions of followers. He started with 0 followers, and today he's at 14 million followers, which is insane. He just started from 0 followers, just like you. The only difference, he stayed consistent. He provided value. So here's my challenge to you. Implement just one strategy from all the above strategy that I just shared from Saurav's strategy. Post your first daily vlog today. Bring a friend into your content, whatever resonates with you. And if this video has helped you, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below which strategy are you going to start with first. And remember, your Instagram growth starts with just one post. So stop waiting for that perfect moment that will never come, because the perfect moment is right now. So I'll see you in my next one. Now go create something amazing. Bye.